Given that x is a normal distribution with mean 12 and variance 16, we want to find the probability that x is between 10 and 15. We know that we only have tables for the standard normal, the normal with mean 0 and variance 1, and that we can transform from x to z using z is x minus the mean, which is 12, divided by the standard deviation, which is 4. So we want the probability of x being between 10 and 15, and transforming, this gives us the probability of 10 minus 12 over 4 being less than z, which is less than 15 minus 12 over 4. So we get the probability of z being between minus 0.5 and 0.75. Draw a picture to see exactly what we want to find here. We have our standard normal, which has a mean at 0. We want the area between minus 0.5 and 0.75. In other words, this shaded area. This area can be made up in two parts. We can have the area to the right of the mean, so from 0.75 downwards to the mean, and we'll add that to the area from 0.5 down to the mean, using symmetry here, and the fact that using symmetry this area must be the same as this area. If we consider this area, it will be phi of 0.75. Remember, this is the area from 0.75 all the way back to minus infinity. Take away 0.5, since we know that the area to the left of the mean is 0.5. This one would be the phi of 0.5, take away 0.5. So this is 0.7734 take away 0.5. And this one is 0.6915 take away 0.5. So this is 0.2734, and this one is 0.1915. Therefore, what we have here is 0.2734 added to 0.1915, and this gives us our answer of 0.4649.